In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Steam settings, can't access Steam settings. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the full settings interface in Steam and what to do if the menu seems missing or unresponsive. First, launch the Steam client on your computer and sign into your account. Give it a moment to fully load. A complete start helps all menus initialize properly. Once you're on the main Steam window, look to the very top left corner. Click the word Steam in the menu bar and then choose Settings from the drop-down. This opens the full settings interface, where you can customize things like downloads, interface options, controller settings, and more. If the settings window appears, you're all set to make adjustments. If you can't access settings, let's walk through a few quick fixes. Start by checking whether Family View is active. Family View is a restricted mode that hides certain areas, including parts of the settings. If you see prompts or a banner indicating Family View, follow the on-screen instructions to exit that mode. Once you've exited, try the Steam menu again and click Settings. If that doesn't resolve it, restart the Steam client completely. Use Exit within Steam, and make sure it's fully closed. Look for the Steam icon in your system tray and quit it there as well. After Steam has fully shut down, reopen it and try the Settings menu again. If the client still feels glitchy, a full PC reboot is a simple way to clear lingering processes and often restores the menu behavior. Another small but important tip: avoid skipping the Steam startup animations. Rapidly dismissing the launch splash or forcing the window to switch too quickly can occasionally cause menu elements to misbehave. Let Steam finish its initial load, then open the Settings menu. If you're testing new features and you want to try a different build, you can opt into the Steam beta from within Settings under Interface, in the Client Beta Participation area. Keep in mind, while the beta can introduce the latest improvements, it can also come with bugs. If you notice instability, switch back to the stable release for the most reliable experience and then revisit the Settings menu. Once everything is working, the Settings interface is your hub for customizing how Steam looks, updates games, handles downloads, and more. Taking a moment to get familiar with it now will save you time later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.